Has it gone fast?
It's gone fast and it's absolutely beautiful.
Wow.
He said he's been calling me.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Not bad, thank you. How are you?
Very good, thanks.
Exciting.
Exciting day.
Wow. We've been trekking you all the way, mate.
I've been ringing you to tell you what time is coming. I have loads of questions for you, but
Oh,
Really?
bless.
Probably on my work
I
number.
don't know if it's the right number that we have.
Maybe it's the work
No,
one.
but I've got the text to track everything. I don't. I'm sorry, but thank you.
Okay. Take me about 10.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll put you on it. Okay. Yeah. So this one here is going. We've had the car for 3 years now, and we are now moving to the Tesla Model Y because it was cheaper than the new Mach E, and we believe it was time to try the Tesla and see what everyone is talking about. And as the channel believes it's let's go electric, we need to fight for this color, which she's not disappointed. She will get used to the parking, to be fair. Very, very nervous on a new car. And yeah. thank you for watching us take delivery of our Tesla Model Y, and I am going to do more reviews on this actual vehicle and also the Mach E that we've had for 3 years. So I'm going to do a full review for that one before I move into the Tesla. I jumped into the car already. The disappointing part was it only had 45 miles. They hadn't charged the car, but it came with 3 miles on the odometer. So all is well. I will do a full review. There's a lot to learn on this vehicle. Yes, we've seen lots of videos, and we've also had an electric car for the last almost 4 years now in electric vehicle driving, and this car has a lot of things that we need to learn about. And we've also signed up to the Tesla learning center, where we will learn more about the vehicle and all what we need to do. So there's a lot in terms of, you know, 2 drivers, how to pair 2 drivers on the vehicle. So do subscribe to the channel. It will do wonders for me and journey that we are on, and on electric vehicles, and as you've seen, the heat pump on the vehicle. So thank you, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Take care.
I'll
Bye.
tell you what it said. Charging, it won't because the brake is depressed.